Hello everyone, this is V. Chandrika and I pursued my agricultural BSc from Professor Jayshankar, Telangana State Agricultural University, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad, and I got All India first rank in plant sciences. And today I wanted to share with you some of the important books regarding plant sciences. And in plant sciences, as you all know, there are 5 major subjects that we need to study. They are genetics, plant breeding, plant pathology, microbiology and seed technology. First, in case of genetics, you should refer Fundamentals of Genetics by B.D. Singh. But in B.D. Singh, some people may face difficulty in reading B.D. Singh because it's much more complicated. So the people who feel difficulty in reading B.D. Singh, they can also go for Essentials of Genetics by Pundan Singh. That book is also very good. They can go for that book either or B.D. Singh book. And for plant breeding, you can go for Essentials of Plant Breeding by Pundan Singh. It's more than enough. No need of going for B.D. Singh for plant breeding, because in B.D. Singh it's much beyond our PG level. So for JRF, the Pundan Singh book is enough for plant breeding. And regarding plant pathology, I referred our stencils because our university stencils are more standardized. And if you want, you can also go for an introduction to plant pathology by Uttam Kumar Bhattacharya. It will be like a glance, so that you will be benefited regarding pathology. And in case of microbiology, you can go for an introduction to agricultural microbiology by Taro and Kapoor. Apart from that, I also referred my university stencils. And in case of seed technology, I referred our stencils itself. And for general agriculture, a competitive book of general agriculture by Nimraj Sunna, and also objective general agriculture by S.R. Kanpur. It's most important. After reading the Nimraj Sunna book, you should also go for S.R. Kanpur, because sometimes direct bits may also appear in the exam from S.R. Kanpur. So if you do S.R. Kanpur bits, it will be more useful for general agriculture. And also you should be thorough with the current agricultural current affairs. And in case of subject, you can go for these type of books also, like Genetics Made Easy and Plant Sciences at a Glance and Instant Plant Sciences. After doing your entire subject portion, if you go for these type of books, it will be very useful to you. It will be like a revision. So after doing your main subjects and general agriculture, once you refer these books also. And also regarding general agriculture, daily when you read your subject books, give some time for general agriculture also, like daily 1 hour you spend for general agriculture also, so that you can memorize the things very easily. And the main strategy is learn the basic concept of the basic concept, so that if any question, like any type of question they will give in the exam, whether it is easy, medium or tough, you can attempt if you have the thorough knowledge about the subject. So please gain knowledge about the subject. There is no need to read, no need to panic that these many books we should read, like that. Whatever you read, according to the syllabus you read, you refer the books. There is no need to refer much more books, like for single subject 2 to 3 books, no need. Even if you read a single book also, be thorough in that subject, so that you can do the paper well. Thank you.